Spunky Beat. This is the name of the earbuds you're looking at, with up to 24 hours total playback time, voice assistant shortcut, Bluetooth 5 and the phenomenal price of just $25. Interested already? Let's get started! Welcome everyone, it's Michael speaking, and I'm glad you've chosen the channel to get to know more about Tronsmart's latest true wireless earbuds, which are absolutely fabulous when it comes to supporting the latest and greatest features. There are plenty of models that cost probably 5 times more and won't support even half of these. So my task is to show you whether that many supported features can convert in good audio quality and easy to use earbuds. Few words about the brand and the model as a starter. Tronsmart was launched a few years ago as one of the brands that the Chinese website Geek Buying is maintaining, and unlike other similar ideas and projects, Geek Buying have been heavily investing in good quality for most of their products during the years, at least to an extent that the price was allowing to. They have a long-time partnership with Qualcomm, so spoiler alerts, quick charging is available here too. And thanks to the tight relationship with many factories, looks like putting the pieces together, combining branding know-how and marketing on top, Tronsmart is slowly becoming a well-respected brand and made me want to test these earbuds with the interesting name Spunky Beat. Looks like they're meant to compete with the Mi AirDots by Xiaomi and are beating them in pretty much every section that matters. Cost only $25 if you order them from geekbuying.com, or around €30 or dollars depending on your regional Amazon, and you will find links to the best possible deals in the description of the video. This price is so tempting that, well, you may even buy them for the sake of trying them, and they may gradually become your primary ones. I know, curiosity grows, so let's take a look at the box. Unlike many similarly sized earbuds, these are packed pretty well and seem to be protected from the outside world. Arrive separated in the box, you have to first take them out and place them inside this carrying charger box, and that box has integrated battery with capacity of 350 mAh, so once you fully charge the earbuds, and then with the additional recharges that you do, it may support music playback of up to 24 hours. You will notice two awesome things about this box. Has a Type-C port for charging, so current technologies, but if you don't have a cable around, no worries, check the bottom. You can easily connect to any USB port and get the box recharged. There's an LED on the front to indicate the battery level and a nice leather hook to attach to a keychain. Estimated playback time for the buds on a single charge is up to 7 hours at 50% volume. I didn't have the chance to listen to music for that long, but with variable volume, managed to squeeze around 5 hours, which was pretty good achievement. At higher volumes, the running time of course is getting drastically shorter, but each of these earbuds has 35 mAh battery inside, and thanks to the Qualcomm's quick charge technology, only 5 minutes of charging will give you an entire hour of listening to music. It is a hard-to-beat achievement, especially at that price. Supported protocol is Bluetooth 5, with range of up to 15 meters. Unfortunately, I was getting drops after only 7 to 8 meters, and if walls come in between the phone and the buds, you will immediately notice connection drops. The buds are equipped with support for an army of good protocols: aptX, which is the more widely used standard for better audio quality over Bluetooth, AAC for good playback with iOS devices, and SBC for Android. Perhaps with the little size of the drivers, you won't notice much of a difference, but these are always nice to have. Frequency response, as with most similar models, varies between 20 and 20,000 kHz. I'd say well covered, although I wasn't very happy with the way the lower frequencies sound on some tracks. There's a microphone too, and this is the kind of quality you could expect if you're speaking inside a room. It's also supporting the CBC version 8.0 noise cancellation, which works pretty well in crowded and rather noisy areas. Usage and controls are next, and they're pretty straightforward and easy to get used to. Take the earbuds out, and they're immediately powered on and will attempt to connect to the devices that are around and already paired, or will attempt to pair to a new device. And on the current Android versions, there's even a battery status indication. Controls are possible from the touch zones, and each one of the buds has its own role. To go to the next track, tap and hold for 2 seconds the left one. To go to the previous track, tap and hold the right one. And you can control the volume, or to launch the assistant just make 2 quick taps or a single tap, which is used for play and pause. Thanks to the in-ear design and the fact that the sound unit is closer to your ear membrane, the highest volume is really loud. So be careful, because if you listen for too long at a maximum volume, this could be quite bad for your hearing. In terms of comfort, things are alright. I'm not a big fan of these in-ear bud designs and find them a little uncomfortable, but this is a very personal preference, and there are plenty of positive reviews where most of the people praise the comfort of these buds. More importantly, they won't disturb you during prolonged usage and isolate most of the surrounding noises. And since you can try 3 different sizes of ear tips, there's a great chance that they will fit you really well. Good thing is that even with the largest ear tips, they fit well inside the box. And one more remark, thanks to the large tap surface and the form factor, expect to often accidentally tap while you're adjusting them inside the ear, but that is to be expected with that kind of form factor. Audio quality is very good, crisp sounds, and there's more focus on the high and the mid-range tones, but the bass is also decent, not too loud and boomy, and definitely not flat. Dynamics is at an acceptable level. One thing for sure, they don't sound cheap. Certainly not as good sound as what Xiaomi Air 2 have shown in one of the recent reviews, but this can definitely qualify as very good. True wireless earbuds, and most importantly, at that price, it is hard to ask for more, and the quality delivered is far beyond what a person would expect from Bluetooth 5 stereo earbuds with so many good features for only 25 bucks. Comfortable, with good sound, easy controls, a charging station, long playback time, and even quick charging. The only thing I miss is easier way to check the battery status on the station, and maybe a dedicated button was about to be great, but generally, I think Tronsmart have done remarkable job with the Spunky Beats, and they well deserve the overwhelmingly positive feedback on Amazon and their own website, and that's another set of earbuds I can easily recommend. And the word Spunky perfectly describes them. Well, that's it about this episode, and it's been great to show you another awesome pair of true wireless earbuds. Looks like if you haven't done it yet, 2020 will be the year where you should finally try this kind of tech. Nothing else left but wishes for a wonderful day, more time to listen to good music, and do not forget to leave a like and comment if the video was good, subscribe to get more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers!